Hi everybody, Paul here. If you perform part 1 through 6 of my videos on how to fix your check engine, VSC, track off warning lights on, and it still hasn't turned them off, then I want to show you something else that's been known to cause this problem and how to easily fix it. Let's take a look. Your vehicle will have either a spark plug wire connection lead that attaches on the end to each spark plug as shown in this picture, or your vehicle will have a spark plug ignition coil pack that attaches on the end to each spark plug as shown in this picture. With the engine turned off, check to make sure that the end of all spark plug wire connection leads or the end of all spark plug ignition coil packs are all connected properly to the top of each spark plug. In my case here, I have a separate ignition coil pack for each spark plug, and each one is held down with a separate fastener like you see here. So check to make sure that none of the fasteners have come loose. Also, not all ignition coil packs are held down with a fastener, so that's another reason why you need to check each ignition coil pack. If just one spark plug wire connection lead on the end comes loose, or just one ignition coil pack on the end comes loose from the top of any of the spark plugs, it will cause warning lights to come on. If you do find any loose connections on any of the spark plugs, make sure it's connected back on properly, and all the warning lights should turn off by themselves after driving it for a day or two. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now.